Sriram Educational Academy, the best platform for virtual learning. Download the app from Google Play Store. Sriram Educational Academy provides the courses on electrical vehicle, robotics, MATLAB, Simulink, ANSYS Workbench, AutoCAD, and CATIA, thermodynamics, and many more latest technology. So during this course, the recorded videos for unlimited access are available. Live sections for doubts clarification and project execution. Course completion certificate will be given for all the courses. Mini and major projects on the above courses will be provided. Sriram Education Academy also gives support for academic projects of Diploma, BTech, and MTech in all branches. Online internship program, live tuitions for BTech, Diploma, Inter, and 10th. So tuitions will be provided by request from the students. So you can download the Sriram Education Academy from the Google Play. So download the app, register, and chat for any query.
Welcome to the course Design and Analysis of Electric Vehicle using CATIA and ANSYS. At the end of this course, you will be able to design of electrical vehicle and modeling of chassis, body and other components using CATIA software, and analysis of vehicle parts like chassis, body and other components using ANSYS. Before going to the today's session, first you answer the following. What are the various vehicles we are using for transport? And which type of engine is there for your car or bike? And what is electric car? Today's session, we are going to discuss about what is vehicle, what is engine, types of engines, electric vehicle definition. What is vehicle? A vehicle is a machine that transports people and cargo. A vehicle is a machine that transports people and cargo. Cargo means goods. If you see this figure, there are various vehicles are there. So bicycle is one type of vehicle, aeroplane, helicopter, taxi, car, bus, all these are vehicles which are used to transport the people and goods from one place to another place. How these vehicles will move? To move the vehicles, we need power. So this power is converted into a motion using an engine. So any vehicle, for the movement of any vehicle, we need power. So the conversion of power into motion, we need engine. So what is an engine? Engine is a machine with moving parts that converts power into motion. There is another definition for an engine. an engine is a machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. Engine is a machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means any moving part contains mechanical energy. Types of engines. Here we will consider the main two types which are used in typically in vehicles. Internal combustion engine and an electric motor. Internal combustion engine is an engine which converts heat or thermal energy into mechanical energy. Whereas in electric motor, the electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So what is an engine? Engine is defined as which converts one form of energy into mechanical energy. So here, if you see the both IC engine and electric motor, they are converting thermal energy into mechanical energy and electrical energy into mechanical energy. So engine is a machine which convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. In IC engines, due to the burning of fuel with air, heat will be produced. That means thermal energy will be there. So this thermal energy is converted into the mechanical energy by means of piston, cylinder and crankshaft. So we will discuss later the working of IC engine in detail. Coming to the electric motor, in electric motor, electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. So electrical energy is nothing but due to the flow of electrons, the energy will be produced, which is nothing but electrical energy. We will discuss in detail about the electric motor in the coming sessions. Now, what is electric vehicle? An electric vehicle is a vehicle that uses one or more electric motors for propulsion. Propulsion means moving forward. To move any vehicle to forward, we need engine. So electric motor is nothing but an engine. So what is an electric vehicle? An electric vehicle is a vehicle that uses one or more electric motor for the propulsion. Propulsion means moving forward. To move a vehicle in a forward direction, we need, if we use electric motor, that is known as electric vehicle. Why this electrical vehicle? What is the need of electrical vehicles? Because already we have IC engines are there. Why we have to use the electric vehicles? Because they are smooth and there are no exhaust gases. So they are more environmental friendly. So electric car propelled by electric motors and uses electrical energy which is stored in batteries. So here there are no exhaust gases during the operation. So when there is no exhaust gases, there is no pollution. Now, most of the cities in India or throughout the world, they are facing with pollution due to these exhaust gases. So this is the time to convert all the vehicles into electrical vehicles. How this electrical vehicle works? The main components of the electric vehicle are controller, battery, electric motor. In the controller gathers the energy from the battery. So the energy is stored in battery. The controller gathers the energy from the battery. And this controller delivers the appropriate amount of electrical energy to the motor. From the controller, the appropriate amount of energy is transferred to the electric motor. So what is the function of electric motor? Electric motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. So here the electrical energy transformed to mechanical energy by using motor. So then due to this mechanical energy, the wheels will turn and vehicle move. So this is the main working principle of electric car. Now you take a block and I'm applying a force F. Assume that this is a vehicle. To move the vehicle, we have to apply a force F. Then what will happen? The block will move a displacement of S. That means it moves to a new position with a distance of S. So here the distance is also known as displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. That means you have to mention the direction. So here what is F? Force. S is the displacement. Now we will discuss about the power. So for any vehicle, we need power. To move any vehicle, we need power. So here I am taking a block and applying the force F. So it will move a displacement of S. That means work done on the block is nothing but force into displacement. So here the force is nothing but F and the displacement is nothing but S. So work done is nothing but energy. Or work done is also known as energy. Energy to do work. So energy is nothing but work done. So work done is nothing but energy. Both are same, which is nothing but force into displacement. Now what is power? Power is nothing but energy per unit time, or energy consumed, or energy required per unit time is nothing but power. So here to move this block, so we have to consume or we have to apply some energy. So that energy per unit time is nothing but power. Here what is energy work done? So work done by time or force into displacement by time is nothing but power. So force displacement by time is known as velocity. Therefore, force into velocity so force into velocity is nothing but power. The units per power is nothing but joules per second or Newton meter per second or watts in SI system. Watts in SI system. So to move any vehicle, we need power. So power is nothing but energy by time. Energy is nothing but work done, which is nothing but force into displacement. So the units for power is watts or joules per second or Newton meter per second. So here the energy is nothing but mechanical energy. The energy here we are discussing is mechanical energy. Okay, this is about the brief introduction about the power. So already we discussed a brief introduction how the electrical car working, how the electrical car works. So with this, I will end this session. Before end this section, so what we discussed in the particular session are what is a vehicle and what are the various types of engines and what is the meaning of electric car. Now I will please go through this session and answer the following questions. So what is the unit of power in SI system? Define an electrical vehicle and what is meant by an engine, and what is the function of motor. That means motor converts which type of energy to which type. That means is it converts thermal energy to mechanical energy, or electrical energy to thermal energy, or electrical energy to mechanical energy, all of the above. So I hope all of you answer these questions. We will discuss in detail about the electric vehicles in the next section. Thank you.